Did you know that the first commemorative Rotary postage stamp was issued by Austria in 1931 in honor of the Rotary Convention in Vienna?
Nagbabalik po ang Rotary in Action, and this time, tunghayan po natin ang nakapaloob sa Literacy Summit ng Rotary Club of San Juan District 3800.
Stocks, bonds, and estate planning. Ilan lamang yan sa nakapaloob sa Investments and Estate Planning 101 na inilunsad ng Rotary Club of San Juan sa kanilang Financial and Literacy Summit. Layunin ng proyektong ito na matulungan at mabigyan ng dagdag kaalaman ang ating mga kasangbahay patungkol sa kanilang investments.
The objective is part of our literacy, financial literacy seminar of our San Juan Rotary Club. So we're putting these seminars to raise funds for our social projects. Some of this is the BLT program, giving food to these malnourished kids from San Juan elementary schools, and also other projects that we have in, like for example, donating foods, water closet, lavatory to schools who need these facilities, and other projects of course that we have in mind.
Ilan sa mga naging speaker sa araw na ito ay sina Professor J. Peñaflor, na kilalang Capital Market Professor and Lecturer at former Assistant Head ng Philippine Stocks Exchange Market Education Department. Nagbigay siya ng kaalaman patungkol sa investment and winning in stocks.
Yung seminar was photo already. Ano ibig sabihin ng photo? Fundamentally undervalued and technically oversold. Ano? It went down to as low as 168. What we did was to average down. Kaya po pag bumibili kayo, buy in tranches. Ano? Nakabili kayo at 180, dapat may balang ka kayo pag bumagsak ng 170. Bakit? Para pag bumili kayo, you will be able to lower your cost. Pag nag-recover, you can maximize potential returns.
Speaker din si Mr. Ernie Regala, na siyang Vice President ng Retail Sales Department, Head Treasury Group ng Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Nagbahagi naman siya ng mga importanteng bagay patungkol sa investments in bonds and other fixed income instruments.
Siyempre, if you buy a bond, you have to know how long would you like to invest. And that would again depend on your appetite. Because if you buy a bond and you see that you will be needing it in 5 years, then why buy a bond that is longer than 5 years? And just buy it to tailor-fit your requirement.
Nagpasalamat naman si First Class President Therese Monteser dahil sa matagumpay na paglulunsad ng kanilang proyekto.
Actually, this is not just for the Rotary Club of San Juan, but for the whole district of Rotary District 3800 under Gov. Louie Tickman. We are trying to initiate this project so that other Rotary clubs will also follow. Thank you UNTV for covering us today, and for the support of Sir Jerry Panghulan for Rotary in Action program. Thank you.
Yan po ang Literacy Summit ng Rotary Club of San Juan. Congratulations sa inyo at lalong-lalo na sa First Class President Therese Monteser.
Galing nga nila, no?
Kaya,
talagang nagle-level up, no?
Tama yun, vocational.
Yes. Anyway, samantala, dumako naman po tayo sa isa pang segment. At kapiling natin sa pagkakataong ito, si Past President and Charter President Antonio Pobre ng Rotary Club of Makati San Miguel. Doc Pobre, or otherwise known as Dr. Purboy. Bati ka muna, Doc.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Thank you for inviting me here. At the same time, to give me a chance to tell something to the public regarding our project in the club, whereby we promote Rotary in a movie.
Doc, I heard malapit na ang launching ng movie ng ginagawa ng inyong grupo. Please tell us more about paano po ba ito makakatulong sa public image ng Rotary?
Yes, you know, I've always been watching movies, but there was never a movie that I've seen not it will that would emphasize the different projects of Rotary and how good Rotary could be to the public. So the club has ventured to produce a movie that tells about the numerous projects of Rotary, but at the same time, it tells about the story of an overseas worker, a volunteer of a Rotary club, of our club, who was able to join our club as a volunteer and at the same time was advised to seek job placement abroad to improve her family life. But what happened is that when this volunteer went abroad, she was a victim of a drug mule. She became a drug mule. So the Rotary was informed about it, and we went as a club. As a matter of fact, this movie, most of the participants are members of our club. So our club members became actors at the same time.
Galing naman.
And although we have real good stars there, but the supporting actors were mostly Rotarians.
Wow.
And the project would, whatever money we can generate from this project, we intend to buy a jeepney ambulance, which would be the first of its kind in the Philippines, because we always ask for foreigners to give us an ambulance. But our goal here is to have a jeepney that would serve as an ambulance. At the same time, it will be a service of our club whenever we are invited to do medical missions. Rotary Club of Makati San Miguel is made up of mostly doctors and nurses, and a lot of them are interrelated to the field of medicine. That's why in our logo itself, if when you look at it, it looks like a caduceus. So we are maintaining it as an image for the club that we are really after the health, not only of the people, but the health of co-Rotarians who are in need of medical specialists.
Okay. So naiiba rin talaga ang Rotary Club of San Miguel, Makati San Miguel, ha?
Yes.
Dahil composed of mostly doctors and nurses.
That's right, that's right.
Okay. Etong movie na ilo-launch nyo, Doc, you mean this is based on a true-to-life story?
Yes, it's true to life story, and we also patterned it similar because there was a big news about an overseas worker
Drug mules, ano, ha?
that became a drug mule victim and was sentenced to death in China. So we were able to get some similar incidents in Hong Kong this time. That's why the whole club went to Hong Kong. We did a lot of movie shooting in Hong Kong too. It was quite expensive though, but in the end, we are sure that we can recover because we look forward to you guys to promote the movie, because
Yes,
you
of
will see
course.
medical missions going on there, how Rotary raise funds, how Rotary have connections internationally to help a distressed Filipino.
Yes, and to think that you have invested for the production of
Oh, yes,
this
yes.
movie, kinakailangan tulungan natin i-promote yan, ano, ha? Para
That's
naman
true.
kumita ang project at magamit natin yung proceeds ng Rotary
Dok,
for your
paano nag-come
projects.
yung idea nyo na gumawa kayo ng movie para ma-inspire ang mga Rotarian and other people?
Yes, you know, I've always been watching movies, but there was not a movie that showed about Rotary. Next also, I was frustrated because I could hardly get high financing or support from Rotary International whenever I asked for a what do you call that? A
Matching
grant,
grants.
a matching grant. So I decided to, with the club being made up of doctors, we pulled up our funds. We are producing a movie so that we can raise millions and we could buy the jeepney that we want, and we don't even have to bother other clubs to, the Rotary International now to support us because it takes time. And we have to know how to go about in getting millions of pesos from Rotary International. But we were able to, because a lot of our members now are also movie stars.
Ah, okay.
So they're within the movie world. That's
Doc,
why.
without necessarily preempting your movie, no? Itong drug mule na ito, did she became your
Yes.
member?
The victim now is a member of, in fact, the end of the movie shows that the victim was inducted by
As a
our
member
district
of
governor
your
as a
club.
member of our club.
Galing.
So the story
Galing.
revolves around it.
Sige, aabangan natin yan.
Papanoorin namin yan, Doc. Nakaka-inspired sigurado yung pelikula na yan.
Oo,
Papanoorin
definitely.
natin yan.
Siya nga pala, nabanggit mo kanina, merong mga actors talaga na Oo,
Yes.
di ba not only from the club but talagang mga
Rotarian.
mga actors from the movie industry
Yes.
na ginamit kay rito, no ha?
Yeah. In fact,
And you went all the way to Hong Kong to
Yes.
shoot some scenes.
our members we found out that a lot of them too can act. We have also
Ang
one
galing,
member who is the owner of World Films International.
Mm-hmm.
One member is a known director of movie. And then some other actors joined us, although not the big time actors, but we were able to convince them to support us in our project.
So you
And
mean,
that's why-
Doc, ikaw din, you are now an actor.
Actor.
Yes, I acted in the
Actor,
movie.
director, and producer. All in
And
one.
I was so frustrated before.
Pwede na tayo magpagawa ng pelikula kay Doc.
O kaya nga sabi ko, nagle-level up na no? Ngayon, meron na tayong movie producer and...
Parang first time lang yan sa Rotary, no? Okay, once again, please invite our televiewers and fellow Rotarians to support your movie and upcoming projects.
Yes, I would like to invite everybody, not only Rotarians, but the support of people who love movies, and at the same time, Rotarians not only in District of Manila, Quezon City, nationwide. I intend to promote this movie to all district governors because you will feel proud that you are a Rotarian, because in this movie, a lot of Rotary projects are shown there. Live medical missions will be shown there, how we operate in public without any preparations. We do live surgeries, we do relief goods distribution. These are all live, and this is one thing that you will be proud of, because Rotary is, the goals of Rotary is well promoted in that movie.
Okay, thank you very much, Charter President Dr. Purboy. And syempre, for more announcements, no? Please stay tuned.